Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners natin. I appreciate you all. Today, i-walk through ko kayo kung paano mag-register ng account sa eToro. This video was requested by Noriel and RG Galianosa. So yeah, guys, ito na yung hinahanap nyong video. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa webpage or sa homepage ng eToro. So, yung link niyan is lalagay ko na lang sa description sa baba para you can easily access it. Pero yeah, basically, type nyo lang etoro.com, mapupunta na kayo dito, or pwede nyo ding i-google kung di kayo sigurado kung saan kayo pupunta. Google nyo lang eToro, yan, malilink na kayo dito sa website ng eToro. So, click lang natin yung sign up since wala pa naman tayong account. Ayan, so makita nyo dito, ayan, yung CFDs may warning. Kasi natitrade dito yung mga CFDs. Siguro gagawa ko lang din ng separate video kung paano nag-work yung CFD. Pero personally, ayoko rin mag-invest dito sa mga to. But yeah, anyway. First step is to create or choose your username. So yeah, ikaw na bahala kung ano yung username na gagamitin mo. And then, lalagay mo lang dito yung valid email address mo. And then, you will choose a password. And then, ito, pwede mong basahin yung terms and conditions and yung risk disclosure. Personally, hindi ko na binasahin masyado. Nag-skim lang ako. And then, yeah, i-click mo lang yung I-accept. And I acknowledge that my information will be used in accordance with the privacy policy and cookie policy ng eToro. And then, alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook account or your Google account. So, ayan, after nyo ma-fill out yung fields na yun, mabilis lang, no? Yan, may account na agad ako, no? So, to open your account, complete your profile, click complete profile now. So, we're gonna click that. Okay, so by fully completing your profile, you remove deposit limitations. Your personal information will be processed to create an investor profile as required by regulation and will be kept confidential. Okay, click lang natin yung continue. So, ayan, ilalagay mo lang yung personal details mo, first name, middle name, and then last name. Then, yung gender mo, pipili ka lang male or female. And then, yung birth date mo. So, sa akin, pwede natin i-autofill to. Pick a forte. And then, male. Birthday ko is 12, okay, mali, 25, 12, 1995. And then, after that, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. Okay na. And then yung address, if you fill out mo lang din yan. Kiklik mo lang dito sa baba, I am not a US citizen. I was not born in the US if that applies to you. Pero kung US person ka, then untick mo lang yan. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na hindi mo na kailangan mag-upload ng ID mo. So kailangan mo talaga ng passport. So yeah, passport number kasi ngayon yung internationally recognized na identification. So, fill out mo lang yung address mo, city, country, and then lalagay mo na yung passport number mo. Once you've completed that, yan, tatanungin ka na kung ano yung experience mo. Over the last year, how many times have you invested in the following? So, equities, yan, stocks and ETFs yan. So, sabihin natin 20 plus or never kung di ka pa nakapag-invest ever sa mga stocks and ETFs. And then crypto, I would say 1 to 10. Then leverage trading experience, never. And trading knowledge, professional certificate. So, ano to, mga CFDs, futures, options, forex, margin trade. So, I have no financial knowledge about these. Then trading knowledge assessment. Now, we would like to assess your level of knowledge of complex derivatives and trading with leverage. Please mark the correct statement. Actually, I'm not very sure kung alin yung tamang statement dito. So, random na lang. And then, planned investments. So, stocks. Sabihin natin crypto, indices, and commodities. I'm not very interested with currency. So, I'm gonna leave that blank. We're not gonna check that. How long do you plan to leave your positions open? More than several months, years, few weeks, up to several months, few seconds, up to 24 hours. So, yeah, ito, day trading talaga to. So, yeah, dito tayo sa medyo long term, no? Purpose of trading. So, pipiliin mo lang din yan. Short-term returns, future planning, save for kids, education, retirement, saving for home, additional revenue. So, Originally, ito yung pinili ko. So yeah, you can just choose whatever you like kung ano yung nag-a-apply sa inyo. And then your attitude to risk. How much do you plan to deposit into your eToro account over the course of the year? So yan. So pwedeng up to $1,000, $1,000 to $5,000, $5,000 to $20,000. So, ang pinili ko dito is nasa $1,000 to $5,000. And then, dito ako nagpunta sa parang sweet spot on 10% gain per year. Kasi pag parang andito tayo, well, medyo unrealistic na gain. Parang sobrang magiging day trading yung style mo, no? Kapag ito yung parang goal mo. And kita nyo naman, ang laki din ng risk, di ba? High risk, high reward. So, dito tayo sa, kumbaga, medyo conservative na, value investor, dividend investor. So, yun yung pinili ko. Does any of the following apply to you? I or any of my immediate family members are, yan. Diba? Pili mo lang kung ano yung nag-a-apply sa inyo. Pero kung wala naman, pili nyo lang tong huli. None of these apply to me. Your financial status. So yeah, select one or more. So your sources of income. Basically, salary and investments para sa akin, plus savings. Ayun. Select nyo lang dito kung ano yung mga nag-a-apply sa inyo. Then click done. Occupation. Yan. Pipiliin nyo lang yung occupation nyo kung saan man kung ano man yung nag-a-apply sa inyo. So, yeah. Sabihin natin dito, finance industry. And then, lalagyan nyo lang employer nyo plus the address. And then, pipili lang kayo ng annual income. Here. So, sabihin natin 1M, no? To 5M tayo. Lol. But yeah, total cash, sabihin natin 1 to 5M then. Peso Smart PH. Address, Quezon City. City, Philippines. Pero syempre dapat tunay yung ilalagay niya dito. So yeah, suitability assessment. Thank you for completing your profile. Please be aware that trading CFDs can carry a high degree of risk to your capital. Based on the information you provided, copy trading may not be suitable for you, and therefore we might choose to limit your copy trading activity. We encourage you to review and upgrade your profile every time your situation or trading objectives change. Okay, confirm na natin. And then ito, verify your phone lang, no? Lalagyan nyo lang yung phone number nyo and then text nyo ng SMS. Para na rin yan sa, sa extra layer ng security kasi pwede nyo i-activate yung two-factor authentication kapag nilagay nyo yung number nyo and it's required din naman. Alright, so nalagay ko na yung phone number ko. And verify ko na. Enter the code, phone verified. And then, lalagay mo lang dito yung tax identification number mo. After nyan, completed na yung account mo. So, after nyo ma-complete yung profile, yan, makita nyo na bronze user na si Peso Smart PH. So, ganun din yung mangyayari sa inyo. So, pwede ka na maglaro sa virtual portfolio, which is here. Ayan, diba? Pwede ka nang bumili. Ayan, meron kang pwedeng gayahin, copy trading, pwede kang mag-invest in the gaming industry, and then itong mga parang naka-preset, no? Na nakalagay dito, Tesla, pwede kang bumili ng Tesla, no? Trade. So, at the market, sabihin natin, bili tayo ng $1,000 worth of Tesla. So yan, pwede kang maglagay ng stop loss. No, stop loss yung leverage. And then kapag kung kailangan mo i-take ng profit. So set natin yung order. Ayan, buy Tesla order placed at market. Syempre hindi pa naman open kasi yung stock market ng US sa ngayon. Since, also I think, yeah, hindi siya mag-open since it's a Sunday there. But yeah, it's gonna execute kapag nag-open yung market on Monday at 8 a.m. So, ayan. Bitcoin, pwede ka rin bumili, no? Trade. Ayan, di ba? Trade, order, whatever. And then, makita mo yung portfolio mo dyan. Total allocated virtual equity mo. Ayan, $100,000 US. And yeah, basically, that's it. You can start investing after completing the process. So, yung next step mo is syempre to fund your account, no? So, deposit funds, nasa pinakababa siya. Ayan. So, yung minimum is, I think, 10,000. Yeah. So, $200. So, nasa 9,672 pesos yung kailangan mong salpak dito sa account mo na bago kapag initial deposit pa lang. Pero after that, magiging $50 na lang yung required amount. So, nasa 2,500 na lang yun. So, yeah. 9,672. Ayan, diba? Then, local bank. Pwedeng PayPal, pwedeng Skrill. I think di naman ito ginagamit sa Philippines. Net teller bank transfer. But yeah, local online banking yung pinaka-convenient gamitin. So, continue natin dito, no? So, makikita natin dito yung mga accepted na payments. Oh, andito na yung BDO. Ang weird, no? Kasi when I first started, kung napanood yung previous episode, yung sa eToro, nung bumili ako ng Coke stocks, wala yung BDO for some reason. But I think down lang siguro yung online platform ni BDO. That's why hindi siya included at that time. But yeah, good thing yan. Kasama na dyan si BDO and yung bank ko nga si BPI and all the other banks. Ayan, kita nyo naman. And then pay. Sabi natin BPI, pay. After that, I think mare-reroute ka na. Ayan. So yeah, after clicking that, mare-route ka na dito sa BPI. So, bali magla-login ka na. Lalagay mo na yung username mo and password sa online account mo. And then after that, magkakaroon lang na OTP sa number mo. Or like sa phone mo. Yung saan kasi gano'n lang ginagawa ko. Biometrics na lang. And then na-approve mo lang. And then after that, may fund na agad. Real time nagre-reflect yung funds dito sa eToro. So yeah, sobrang convenient. Pwede ka na agad bumili ng stock or ng crypto na gusto mo. So and guys, this sums up the step-by-step guide walkthrough dito sa ating guide kung paano kayo makapag-open ng account with eToro. Sobrang dali lang, di ba? End na natin yung episode here guys. Sana may natutunan kayo and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. If you haven't already, now's a good time to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell para wala kayong miss out na content ko. Twice a week ako nag-upload ng mga videos similar to this and you don't wanna miss them. Thanks again for watching everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all on Friday. Always remember, be Peso Smart.